Today we're going to be using the Rain-X Premium Headlight Restoration Kit on my wife's car to clean the headlights. First thing that you want to do is make sure that you get some masking tape and tape off around the headlight. So what this does is it just prevents the sandpaper on the spin wheel, the sanding disc, from destroying your paint. Also, you're going to be using some abrasives and some cleaning solution, so you really don't want that collecting all around on your paint job if you can help it. So you want to clean your headlight a little bit, Windex, water, whatever, just clean it off the face. And the first thing you're going to do is get the 1500 grade sanding disc, and you're going to sand it down while spraying it with a water bottle. Just plain water, nothing else. Just keep it wet as you're sanding so that you don't get any burn spots. Alright. Sand it down a little while, close intervals, make sure you get the whole headlight pretty well. Then what you'll do is switch to the 3200 grit sanding disc. So the further along in the process that you go, the higher grit sandpaper is what you're going to use, but you need to make sure that you get a spray bottle and keep it wet the whole time during the process. It's going to give you the best results, is to keep that headlight wet. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get your buff wheel, on tape, and put a little dab on the headlight, and then a little nickel sized portion on the sponge, on the polishing pad, and just get to waxing. Just get to waxing. A little bit here, a little bit there, you know. I push down a good little bit as I'm polishing because I want to get on in there. Just get a good result. So I go over it for about 2 minutes or so with the polishing pad. And the kit comes with a good bit of polish, so, you know, once you do it, if you need to add a little bit more and do it, that's fine. And just clean your headlight. It does come with a pack of protectant. You put that on after the very end, and it makes the cleanliness of the lens last longer. That headlight was not done yet, so you can see it's a good bit of discoloration. It's not a bad kit for $20 at Walmart.